Hello friends, my name is Yancy and it is a lovely Saturday here in Portland, Oregon and whatnot. Now, doing some online shopping this morning and the Bing came up, Bing.com, Bing it, bang it, bong it, brought it, burning it, all that. And I decided to throw up grabbing here, Team Yancy, and check out some shopping, see what's going on, see if maybe the algorithm's got my items picked out for me. Now, how do they have a rug, a bedspread, and lights named Yancy? I don't know, but anyway. Whoa, price drop. Nothing interesting to me here yet. Well, hello. Look, there's a Yancy one flush mount. It's a Yancy thing you wouldn't understand. T-shirts, what? Say, it's a Yancy thing you wouldn't understand? Oh, hello. Oops, sorry. Okay, we'll start there. $5. Check this out now. Everything's gone white. Looks like a poltergeist. Oh wait, I'm getting spooked out here. Standard mode. Whoa. Subscribe and save. Alright. I am Yancy at IamYancy.com. Sweet. It's interesting. $5. Wait, buy 6? What? It's got a sharp and vivid printed design. Easy grip handle. What? Okay, why is this one? I told you I was getting spooked out, feeling funny. Look at this. Look at this. It's like its arms are moving on its own. What's? I don't go looking for this stuff. It finds me, man. Look. What? Whoa! 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 Look at that. It's an entity. It's an entity. Look. It says Yancy right. Wait, Yancy. I love. Wait. Is it a red orb? What's going on here? It's a poltergeist. It's haunting me. Look, it's hovering. It's hovering. Kind of having a JW's spin to win flashback there. Spin to win. This is scary though. See those arms? There's a figure in there. Look at those lines right there, body lines and contours. It's a poltergeist, people. Now I was warned about these from a feller I played in a tournament with just today. Now the Andy San match play and Gerard Luis from Spain. He warned me about a poltergeist, and I think I've found it. Spirit, my name is Yancy. Do you have anything to say to me?
Yancy, it's all around you. Yancy, look around you. It's right in front of your eyes. Right in front of your eyes.
Oh my. Oh. Please. Don't be angry with Yancy. I'm a common man. Talk to me. Tell us your story. Tell us your story. Don't get so animated. Calm down. It's okay. I'm stressed out, boy. Whew. Uh-oh. Where's my token? No, I don't need... See, now when I'm out on a squat, I don't need a lunch bag. I need an insulated lunch bag. Wow. Uh-oh. 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 I think it's time to go, people. We've seen too much. I mean, what is that? What is that? Oh! Why won't they look at me? It's intimidating. What if you have to say gilded, hooded, pink hobgoblin? What is your message?
Eyes in the back of your head, eyes in the back of your head now.
Alright, well, we ain't gonna entertain that. See you later. See you out in the golf course. Got some nice shirts. These are some, you know, arms in there. It's not like, whoa. How come everybody's all anonymous? Whoa. Add to cart? No. That one looks haunted too, man. I'm serious. You may also like... What? Show me something I can use today. Wait, whoa. Pet apparel. Golf balls. $15.99. I need a special on that. Oh, look. They're dimpled. Alright. Well. Hope y'all had fun. Whoa. I don't like that. How cool is that, though? Okay, we'll go one more time here. Stay with me now. Stickers? No more ghosts, though, at least. Yard signs? Bath mats? Let me clocking my dollar here. Whoa. Okay, I think we've just reached a new level here that we're not gonna... Really? A duvet. Okay, I think we have... Okay, thank you very much. It's been fun checking it out and whatnot. And my name is Yancy. I'll see you all up at WGT.com. Over and out.